County in central South Carolina, southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, south central. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in central South Carolina, southwestern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, southeastern Lexington County in central South Carolina, southwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina, northern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sandy Run, or 12 miles south of Casey, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include St. Matthews, Gaston, Ellery, Congaree National Park, Santee State Park, Sandy Run, Gadsden, Poinsett State Park, Swampy, North, Pinewood, Cameron, Woodford, Poplar Creek Landing, Rimini, Fort Moss, Stump Pole Landing, Lone Star, Low Falls Landing, and New Zion. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 between mile markers 122 and 146. Interstate 95 between mile markers 101 and 105. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for